Once you receive your Jake's Farmyard galvanised trough feeder, all you're going to need to do is install the legs. It's very quick and easy, so don't worry about that. It does come with the screws and nuts and washers required, also a small Allen key and a 10mm spanner we do supply. And you're going to have two legs that are different to the other two. The only difference is the holes are slightly in position. But to find out which one goes where, it's very simple. So you can just pick one up and you can try it. The holes line up like they do here. That's exactly correct. So all you're going to do, take one of the Allen screws and push that through. But yeah. And then you want to take a washer first, like this, and the nut, and put that on the inside. And then repeat that on each 4 screws. Yep. Then with the spanner on the inside, you can just tighten up the Allen key, or you can tighten up the nut from the inside, whatever you wish. I'm using actually a ratchet. It just makes it quicker for me. If you have a ratchet, use that too. But as you can see, it's very quick and easy. You just need to bolt the 4 legs on, repeat that on each corner, and I'll show you when it's finished. So we have it. I bolted on the 4 legs. It was very quick and easy, only took around 15 minutes. And now I'm very proud of my made in England Jake's Farmyard livestock feeder. So hopefully you enjoy this product for many years, and please check out our full range, and if you have any questions, let us know.